Hey, welcome everyone. In this video, we're doing an unboxing of the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, which is a bit of a mouthful. This is the latest Fire TV Stick released in 2021 that comes with Wi-Fi 6 instead of the regular Wi-Fi 5 adapter you would find in most media players, including previous Fire TV devices. So the box is pretty standard, has some sample app names of what's going to be available, depending on your region, of course, because the app availability does depend on region to region. But yes, this media player does come with a slightly faster processor than the previous Fire TV Stick versions. But one of the main key selling points is Wi-Fi 6 adapter. So you have a faster Wi-Fi speed capability on this media player. Of course, you need to have a Wi-Fi 6 router to make use of that speed. So here's the media stick itself, really small and compact as you would expect from a Fire TV device. The power port is once again micro USB, not USB-C, unfortunately. Just want to point that out there. And I'll switch over to the remote itself. So it's just as light as the previous remote that they've always released. But what's different here is that there's new launch buttons. There's a lot more buttons here than they previously had. So there's some dedicated launch app buttons such as Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Amazon Music. But those apps will probably depend on where you live once again, because app availability differs from region to region. And of course, there's a dedicated button as usual. So here's the Hdmi Extender, which gives you an additional length as well as flexibility. So if you have to put it behind, say, mounted TV, it's a bit hard to reach and the media player is kind of, in the way of something, you always have that Hdmi Extender, which is a nice touch from Amazon. Here is the micro USB cable for power to the device, which is a typical 5 feet in length. And then here looks to be some quick start guides, which honestly you won't really need. Every time you plug in a Fire TV device for the first time on your TV, the instructions appear on the TV itself. It's a really straightforward and a simple process. And here's some safety and warranty information, just nothing too important there. So I'm missing the power adapter and the batteries for the remote. So here's a power adapter, typical USB wall outlet plug. And then, here's the batteries. And of course, typical Amazon basic batteries for the remote control itself. And that's pretty much it. That's the contents of the box. So a link to the review will be in the video description. Be sure to check that out, as well as my social links, which are also in the video description. Be sure to hit the like button, it does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.